In today's video, I will walk you through how to check Bitcoin market share on CoinMarketCap. To check Bitcoin's market share on CoinMarketCap, start by looking at the Global Crypto Metrics bar in the header. Go to CoinMarketCap and look at the very top header bar above the main menu. Find the metric labeled Dominance or BTC-ETH. Locate the percentage shown next to BTC. This percentage represents Bitcoin's current market share relative to the entire cryptocurrency market capitalization. To view more details about Bitcoin's market share and review historical changes, use the Cryptocurrencies menu tab or select the dominance percentage from the header. Hover over or click on the Cryptocurrencies menu tab, then select Global Charts. You can also click directly on the dominance percentage shown in the header to access the charts. After opening the chart section, scroll down to the share of total market capitalization, also called the dominance chart. Use the interactive chart to view Bitcoin's market share over time. You can toggle individual coins on and off to compare Bitcoin's share with other cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum and stablecoins or altcoins. The BTC percentage in the header provides the current Bitcoin market share, while the dominance chart shows the changes in Bitcoin's share of the total cryptocurrency market capitalization over time. This allows you to check both the current BTC dominance percentage and the detailed dominance chart directly on CoinMarketCap. To quickly check Bitcoin's market share again, return to the top header bar and find the dominance metric. The percentage displayed next to BTC shows the current value. For a more detailed view, open the Global Charts section or select the dominance percentage, then scroll to the share of total market capitalization chart. From this chart, you can adjust the view by turning individual coins on or off. This lets you compare Bitcoin's market share against Ethereum, stablecoins, and other cryptocurrencies displayed in the chart. These are the steps to check Bitcoin market share on CoinMarketCap. Use the header metric for a quick view and the dominance chart for a detailed look at market share changes. Thank you for watching.